my second video on how to enter on a trade. So let me begin my top down analysis. So now we are on a daily level. You can see we have the supply zone which is respected here. So now we will go to our H4 time frame. On H4 time frame we have this supply zone over here. And we have this demand zone also. And we also have this first bearish candle before the strong bullish move. So now we will go on our M5 time frame to mark our highs and lows from previous 2 days. So now we are trading on Thursday. We will mark our highs and lows from Wednesday and Tuesday. So now we will go on M1 time frame. On M1 time frame, we can see our first entry type. Market touched this H4 demand zone and create a new H1 M1 demand zone here. So we will put our buy limit here, a stop loss below this, and we will take minimum 1:2. These are first entry type. And we also create a demand zone in confluence with this low of day. But market didn't pull back and did not give us an entry.